welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can draw this 3D and really beautiful pentagon. If you look at it from the top, it looks like it's 3D, right? So, and it is super easy to make. You just need a pencil and sketch pens mainly. So yeah, it's overall a really nice thing to do, and you can experiment with different patterns and shapes. Now without any further ado, let's get into the materials required for this drawing. Materials required for this drawing is a sheet of paper, sketch pens. I'm using the DOMS watercolor pens, pencil and eraser, black sketch pen and a ruler. Now let's get started. On our sheet of paper, first we'll be drawing a pentagon, that is a 5-sided figure. But first I'm going to be using this pencil and then going over it with a black sketch pen. Now I have finished drawing this pentagon, and now I'm going to make few curves connecting to the center. I'm going to use my pencil, and what I mean by this is from this point I'm going to get it to the center, and then from this point, and I'm going to repeat it with all the other points. There should be a total of 5 of these curved triangles. I don't know, but now we are going to again outline them with this black marker. Before I go any further and actually get into the Zentangle, I'm going to erase these lines, these pencil lines, so that it looks neat. Now I'm going to pick out any 5 colors of my choice. You can do any other colors you want. I have picked out my colors, that is blue, purple, pink, grey and yellow, and as I said, you can use any other colors of your choice. Now you can fill this with any pattern you want, but just remember, don't fill it in all of them. Just use one pen for one column and draw any designs. There I have it. I finished making the first design. Now as I said, I'm going to make all of the other designs. You can draw the same patterns just in different colors, but I'm going to do something different. And if you're enjoying my video so far, then like, share and subscribe. I finished making the doodles and it looks really nice. Now we are going to get it a step further. We are going to take our pencil and shade it. How we are going to shade it? First, in these lines that we have created, these curved lines, we are going to shade there on all of the sides. Done, and you can't really see it right now, but I've done like this, and now with a finger we are going to blend this. Where you think that you don't have a lot of dimension, then you can obviously add more pencil. Now once I have that done, I'm going to shade the outside portion on each of the sides. On the down one, you can go like this. Also, you can even make a line, that's completely up to you. There we go. It looks so nice, and when you look at it from the top angle, it looks like it is 3D. So yeah, it was really fun. You can experiment with different kinds of shapes with circles, triangles, or you can even do like humans. Completely depends on you, and it looks so nice and 3D. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.